Are you wanting to get a crochet style, but you are dealing with alopecia, hair loss, thin edges, or no edges at all? Well, I have the perfect crochet braid style for you. Yes, I am going to show you step by step how I create this style. Of course, I did a healthy braid pattern. I did some singles in the front and I did the other braids going straight back. I made sure that they were loose so that I am not putting too much tension. I then went in with my custom frontal. Yes, my custom frontal is handmade by myself. It is sold on my website. You can tap the link in the description below to get your order in. And voila, look at this. No one will ever know that you have any hair loss. Again, my custom closure is exceptional for those with hair loss, alopecia, thin hair, short hair, or no edges at all. Try it today. You'll love it.
Okay, ladies, here's some before pictures of my client. If you are struggling with alopecia, I have the perfect method for you. Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you the perfect method for those who have alopecia, thin hair, thin edges, no edges at all, but you want a crochet style. This is a method that may be perfect for you to use. As you can see, I've already started my client's braid pattern. I am braiding from the most healthiest part of her hair. Yes, when you have clients who have fragile hair, thin hair, you want to make sure that you are braiding for the most healthiest part, whether it's in the back, at the top, in the middle. It just depends on their hair condition. And here you can see I've already went into installing a weaving or a crochet net. Yes, I am installing this crochet net on her hair because I want to protect her natural hair. I want to make sure that I'm putting as less tension, stress, weight, and pulling on her hair as possible. So I am installing this first net. I'm sewing it down because I want to make sure that it's secure. Even though we're going to be doing a crochet style, I want to make sure that I'm not doing a lot of crocheting on her natural hair. So I am doing what I call my double neck method. Yes, I'm going to install a second net on top of the first one. And this one I'm going to kind of overlap it to the areas where she doesn't have any hair or where she has her hair issues. So again, I'm double netting this. As you can see here, I am going to now secure the second net. One of the most important things is to make sure that whatever net that you are using has holes in it, because you want to make sure that your hair is well ventilated and able to breathe. And that's what I'm doing here. Although we're using two nets, both nets are the same. They both have large enough holes where her hair can breathe and can be well ventilated while she is wearing this crochet style. So as you can see here where the arrow is pointing and where I'm pointing with my finger, this is the overlapping. Why am I using two nets? I'm using the second net because this is the net that I'm going to crochet her crochet braids onto. I'm not going to crochet the braids to the first net, only to this second net, and that's all her crochets is going to be on, is this second net here. And that overlapping net that I have in the front, that's where I'm going to give her the coverage that she needs in the front to make sure that no one knows that she has any hair loss or any alopecia in the front. And yes, this is the hair that we're using. These are some Goddess faux locks. They were $9.99 per pack at our local beauty supply. It comes with 4 sections. Yes, there's 4 sections in each pack, and they are 9 inches long. Again, these are some Goddess locks. We're going to be using 2 colors with this style. We're going to be using a solid 1B, and then we're going to go in and add in a 1B30. Yes, this is to give her some pop, give her some color, give her some liveliness, yes, to this style. Because yes, when my clients leave up out of my shop, I want them to be feeling good about themselves. I want their self-esteem to be lifted, their confidence to be uplifted. Yes. So as you can see here, I'm going in for the fun part, and that is the crocheting part. And as you can see here, I'm only crocheting on that second net, which is the one that's on top. When I go through with my latch hook, I am making sure that I am only catching the second net, the net that's on top. Again, that is to reduce as much pulling, tension, stress, and weight on her natural hair as possible. So this means no crochets will be on her natural hair, meaning I'm not going to crochet on any of those braids that I put in her hair. Her hair is going to have a chance to rest, relax, regroup, and grow, because yes, we are using our G&G hair growth butter and our hair growth oil on her hair. So again, notice that I am only crocheting on the net. And this is what this double net method is going to do for you. No tension on her natural hair. And that's what we want, ladies. Sometimes we just cannot put any stress, tension, weight, or anything on that natural hair just to give it a break. So again, I'm going to go in and I'm going to be showing you as I go along how I'm crocheting on this second net and how I'm going to crochet on that front, the top where the net was overlapping. That's going to be the essential part, because a lot of her hair loss is in the front, on her frontal, and at the top. And those are the areas we want to make sure that are completely covered, because we do not, I repeat, we do not want anyone to know that she has any hair loss at all. So the double lap on the side, I am going to again crochet only on that top net. Now the weight of the crochets is going to keep this net down. It's not sewn to anything, but the weight of the locks, because I'm going to make sure that it's nice and full, is going to keep that net down. And then here in the middle where she has her hair loss, again, I'm just crocheting on that net, and I'm going to fill this in and cover it up really well, again, so no one will ever know that she has any hair loss. I'm going in now with that other color, that 1B30, and look how that is popping this style. I love that 1B30. It gives the style so much more sass and pizzazz to it, and that's what we want, ladies. I want to make sure that the style looks beautiful when she leaves. So here you're going to see I'm getting closer to the top of that overlapping net, and I'm going to show you just how I go in and crochet on that net. Look at that. I'm going in with the faux locks and I'm just crocheting on that net, and that's going to give her that fullness in the front. Yes, that way no one ever know that she has any hair loss, any thinning, any edge problems whatsoever. Look at that fullness. And again, on those sides where the net was overlapping, you're not going to be able to see the net at all because it's going to be covered with the faux locks. And again, the weight of the faux locks is going to keep the net down. So, oh my gosh, look at this. This method is amazing. If you have not tried this method, you may just want to try it and see how it works out for you. This is a different method that you can use other than my custom closure. Yes, I do have custom closures and frontals that you can use, and you can tap the link in the description below. It will take you to my website where you can see those as well. Those are perfect for hair loss, alopecia, thin hair, thin edges, or no edges as well. But if you do not want to use a closure, you or your stylist can use this method as well. It doesn't give you the natural scalp part, but it still looks natural. It's still covered. And again, no one will ever know that you have any hair loss. And again, that extra net in the front is working wonders, y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh. My client here used to have locks before her alopecia set in and her locks started to fall off. So she loves locks, and this style she is going to love when she sees it. I just love to see my clients' reaction once they look in the mirror and they're able to see their new look. And I love the smile that they give and the laughter that they have once their style is completed. So again, here you'll see me going in and just filling in all the areas. Again, I want to make sure that her front is covered, the top is covered, and again, no one will ever know that she has any hair loss. Oh my gosh, look at this style. Look how gorgeous this came out, and look at those edges. Yes, The net is there, but that net is holding these crochets. This style is going to stay in for her at least 8 weeks, 8 to 10 weeks, and it came out gorgeous. Look how beautiful and full it looks. Again, no one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss. She does not have a closure and she does not have a frontal, but this double net method, ladies, man, bam, what? It worked. It worked. It gave her the coverage that she needed in the front, and it came out absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much for all your support. Please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up. Please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos as I upload new videos every single week. Please check out my website so you can see our hair growth products and the products that we have to help you with any hair issues that you have. Yes, I have the answer, ladies. No more worries about your hair loss. No more missing parties, events, social gatherings. You too can look beautiful every single day. Thanks for watching. Again, stay safe and stay blessed. Please check out my Facebook page for more videos, more pictures, and also don't forget to tap the link in the description so you can get your order in for our hair growth products. Stay safe, stay blessed, and thanks for watching. And our new hair growth oil, yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.